Good morning. Myself Dr. Manisha, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel in RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today I discuss about the ACL injuries disadvantage. The disadvantages of the patellar tendon autograft are post-operative patellofemoral pain हो सकता है उसको, pain with nailing, increased risk of post-operative stiffness, risk of patella fracture, quadriceps weakness, persistent tendon defect. Next, hamstring tendon autograft. The semitendinous hamstring tendon on the inner side of the knee is used in creating the hamstring tendon autograft for ACL reconstruction. So some use an additional tendon, the gracilis, which attached below the knee in the same area. Hamstring graft जो है proponents claim there are fewer problems associated with harvesting of the graft compared to the patellar tendon autograft, including fewer problems with anterior knee pain after surgery, less post-operative stiffness problem, smaller incision. Graft function may be limited by the strength and type of fixation in the bone tunnels as the graft does not have bone plugs. There have been conflicting results in research studies. तो इसमें क्या हो सकता है कि जो हैमस्ट्रिंग ग्राफ्ट जो है स्लाइटली मोर ससेप्टेबल होता है, विच में ये इंक्रीज कर सकता है लैक्सिटी को ड्यूरिंग टेस्टिंग. Or there are some indications patients who have intrinsic ligamentous laxity and knee hyperextension of 10 degrees or more may have increased risk of post-operative hamstring graft laxity. इसमें क्या है जो है लूजनेस जो है हमारे को फील हो सकती है, इंक्रीज कर सकता है ये. तो क्लिनिकल एग्जाम क्या है, सम क्लिनिकल रिकमेंडेड द यूज़ ऑफ पेटेलर टेंडन ऑटोग्राफ्ट इन दिस हाइपर मोबाइल के लिए. Chronic or residual medial collateral ligament laxity grade 2 or more at the time of ACL reconstruction जो है may be a contraindicated होती है for use of patients on semitendinous and gracilis tendons as an ACL graft. Next, quadriceps tendon autograft. The quadriceps tendon autograft is often used for patients who have already failed ACL reconstruction. This yields a larger graft for taller and heavier patients because there is a bone plug on one side. Only the fixation is not as solid as for the patellar tendon graft. There is a high association with post-operative anterior knee pain and a low risk of patella fracture. Patients may find the incision is not cosmetically appealing. यहाँ पे डायग्राम भी दिया हुआ, डायग्राम में हम देख सकते हैं पटेला टेंडन और हैमस्ट्रिंग. क्वाड्रिसेप्स टेंडन है और ये एलोग्राफ्ट है.